to be on my way. I know just what I have to do, but I won't know what to say. I'll pack my bags in the dead of night, and I'll kiss you farewell. I say goodbye to the smoky wind, and so long to the grey sky. When I hear the ghost train whistle in the middle of the night, I'll be out of mind, and you'll be outside. And I am a refugee in the darkness of my soul. I've disappeared without a trace, the old triangle of my fears. I've always wondered who I am, but I've never really known. I'm 100 miles away from you, but 1,000 miles from me. When I hear the ghost train whistle in the middle of the night, I'll be out of mind, and you'll be outside. Stop the world for a day or two until I know who I am. I'll walk along these winding tracks until I'm in your arms. And when the smoke around me slowly starts to lift, I see you on the platform. I whistle a sweet tune. So in the middle of the night, I'll be out of mind, and you'll be outside. When I hear the ghost train whistle in the middle of the night, I'll be out of mind, and you'll be outside. So in the middle of the night, I'll be out of mind, and you'll be outside. When I hear the ghost train whistle